Buying Barça tickets only takes a few steps, but there are a few things you don't want to miss. So in this video, I'll show you the process of buying the tickets in the official website, which is the most reliable and safest option to get your tickets from. Let's go. From here, go to Tickets Museum, then select Men's Football, and you'll see a list of the next matches. You just choose your favorite one and click on See Tickets. Keep in mind that some of the future matches usually don't have a kickoff time and date chosen yet. For instance, this one says Saturday or Sunday. There's others that say Tuesday or Wednesday, so keep an eye on that. That matters a lot if you're planning flights, hotels, or another city nearby, so give yourself some flexibility. Yeah, take a look until the schedule is finally set. In my case, I just choose Barcelona versus Rayo Vallecano. So once you choose the match, you have to choose between the types of ticket, basic plus, which comes with some extras, and VIP premium, which includes premium seat, VIP lounge, catering, and of course, all of this comes with a price. Let's just choose basic, which is the one most people choose. Basic Plus includes some extras like tickets to the museum. By the way, if you want to see how is the visit to the museum, there's a video about this on the channel. Then you have to choose your region on the stadium. You can just pick on the map or you can choose on the list on the side. And then you need to put the amount of tickets that you want to buy. Keep in mind that when you're buying more than one ticket, the system will try to put everyone together, or at least close enough, but this isn't always guaranteed. Tickets are on the card, you just confirm, and you're just continuing without improvements. Now you just need to fill your information, confirm you accept the terms of service, terms and conditions, and now you choose your payment method. Then you go to the payments and you pick the one that is available and the one that is most suitable for you. You just pay. And the next step is wait for the email. You receive the confirmation of your purchase. One other thing is that the tickets won't be available immediately, especially if the match is just in a few days, because Barça only sends the tickets a few hours before the match. Don't worry, you're going to receive the tickets in your email, and you just need to wait and enjoy the match.